Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do this blue silverish kind of makeup look, and it's kind of glam, I don't really know, it's just glam. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I post videos every Tuesday and Friday 10 a.m. Central Standard Time, so subscribe and let's get started. Today I'm starting out with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I'm just going to squeeze that on my finger and kind of just rub that all around my face. I did do my brows before this video, so that's why they're so dark and, you know, done. I am going to go in with Maybelline Fit Me foundation in shade 125, which is nude beige. And I'm just going to pour some on my hand. I'm actually going to mix that with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup foundation in shade 1N1 Ivory Nude. This foundation is not my favorite foundation. It actually it rubs off on my nose almost as soon as I put it on, which makes me really sad because I've seen really good reviews about it, but every time I wear it, it always comes off my nose and it drives me insane because you can't just have your foundation all done and then your nose is just all normal skin. I mean, it just makes me really sad. And I know a lot of people do like it, so it must just be my skin. I am very oily on my nose, so it could just be because of that. But I'm not a huge fan, but maybe it would work for your skin. I do mix it with my Fit Me foundation, which I love. Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I think it works very well. It stays a long time, doesn't come off my nose. I just really enjoy it, and it's cheap. So definitely, if you're looking for a good drugstore foundation, that is a good one. Now I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have a hard time saying that, I don't know why. But yeah, I love this concealer. I have light neutral, and I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes in a triangle, and let's see, a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, a little dot at the end, cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. Sometimes I don't do my chin just because my chin tends to get really dry, so sometimes when I do it, since this is drying, I know a lot of people have an issue with this being drying, but a lot of people love it because it's so full coverage. Sometimes I just can't do it on my chin just because my chin and like right underneath my lip can get really dry because I have eczema, so I just have to like watch that, otherwise I get like red flakiness. So sometimes I don't put it there. My skin's been really good lately, so I'm putting it there. But love the concealer. And if you haven't tried it, I recommend trying it. Okay, I'm going to bake my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Of course, I love this translucent powder, and I think a lot of people like it because it's very good. So I kind of just knock some into the cover. Okay, and I'm just going to take this RT contour brush. I'm not contouring, but you know, it's good for under the eye too. So I'm just going to dab that in there, dust the excess off, and then just kind of dab it underneath my eye and the side of my nose, just because you want to have that straight line when you contour. Anywhere you put your concealer you want to set, so I mean my forehead, down my nose, and then my chin, and then I'm just going to make a line here just so my contour will be beautiful when I do it, and it's going to be nice and straight and chiseled, and I'm going to have a perfect looking face instead of this chunky one. Yeah, we'll see. And I'm going in with the Anastasia, however you say it, contour kit in light to medium. I'm going to use a mixture of the middle shade and the shade over here. Just going to put that on my cheekbones. And just around my on my forehead around my hairline, basically. And on my jawline, just to define that and get rid of your double chins, because you know some people need that, and you know I need it. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Tarte. You guys know this. Going in with my Tarte Blush Bliss blush palette in the shade. Should I do pink today? I always do peachy, but maybe I'll do pink. Actually, I'll do in Breathtaking, this pink shade right here, just to kind of, you know, switch it up a bit, you know. Do pink for you guys. Not that I don't mind pink, I just always think that peachy looks good. But then I did my Valentine's look and I was like, hey, you know, the pink wasn't that bad. So I just gotta go out of my comfort zone, try things, and not just do the normal things all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Moonchild. And I'm going to use the shade Pink Heart. And the palette I am using today is the wonderful Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going in with this Morphe brush. It's just like a blending brush, you know. It doesn't have a number or a letter. It's from that. I got a pack for Christmas. It's just from that, so it doesn't have a number or anything. But these are my favorite brushes. Morphe. Morphe everything, guys. Morphe, Morphe, Morphe. Hashtag Morphe. Comment down below if you love Morphe, because I do. Maybe a little bit too much. Maybe they should see this. Maybe they'll send me something. Just kidding. Okay, so I am going to start with shade Silk Cream. This shade Silk Cream, the third one over. I'm just going to put that right in my crease very lightly, and that's just kind of going to be my transition shade. I'm just going to blend that, you know, do some circular motions, do some windshield wiper motions, you know. You just kind of sit here for an hour doing that. Now I'm going in with the dark blue shade called Twerk. Twerk it, twerk it, twerk it. I don't know why I did that. I'm just going to start placing that on my outer part of my eye. Dabbing on the eyeshadow, and then I'll blend it, because you want to kind of disperse the color first and then blend it seamlessly. Also going to do the inner part of my eye, because we want it to be like inner and outer, and then like silver in the middle, you know what I mean. So again, I'm going to tap on the color and blend it out. And I'm going to kind of connect those. I'm just not doing the inner lid part. If you get some there, it's okay. You can just use concealer. You know, concealer fixes everything, right? Okay, so I am going to take some of my Tarte Shape Tape. I am going to just put it on like this, like flat brush, and kind of just carve out that middle piece, just because I got a lot of shadow in there. So, just gonna kind of just make a line down in the middle and just kind of dab like that. Beautiful. Then the look's complete. No, just kidding. Now that I finished that, I'm going to take this like synthetic flat brush. I'm going to dip into Obsessed. I should know that by now. I wear it like every single day. Dabbing it. I'm just going to take that brush that I put the blue on and add a little bit and kind of just like blend out the edges. So just kind of going to dab it just to kind of blend in that shadow so it's not a big harsh line. Once you get that blended pretty good, you can stop there if that's enough shimmer and sparkly as you need, but I'm extra. So I'm going to go in with the Heavy Metals Glitter Liner in Glam Rock by Urban Decay. I'm just going to put that right in the middle where I put that silver shade, just to spruce it up a bit. And there's the top of our eyes completed, and now we're going to go and do the bottom. And I'm going to go back in with that blue shade, and I'm going to take this like nice little fluffy skinny brush, and I'm just going to put that underneath my eye. Making sure I connect with the top part because you don't want an awkward space there. For my inner corner, I'm going to go in with Beam, which is this white, beautiful white shade right here. Love this shade for an inner corner. Love it. Just kind of dab it, blend it in, dab, blend it. And I'm just going to add some on my brow bone. So now I'm taking this huge fluffy Morphe brush and I'm just wiping away all that extra powder I never wiped away. Just because I knew I was using bright colors on my eye and I didn't want that to go all over my makeup I just did. So for mascara, I'm going in with the Colossal Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. I do really like this mascara, so I'm just going to apply that. Okay, now for some lips. Going in with the Smashbox Famous shade Famous lipstick. It's like this nudie, orangey. I don't know, I really like it with looks, and I feel like if you do a nude with this look, your eyes will pop more. So I'm just going to put that on. And I'm going to set my face with the All Nighter Urban Decay Setting Spray. And we're done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what kind of video you would like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Go press that subscribe button wherever it is. Make sure you subscribe, press that bell notification so you get notifications every time I upload, and I'll see you guys next time.